Meaning of inherent.
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 Inherent. The term inherent refers to something that is an essential characteristic or quality of a person, thing, or situation. It is a trait or feature that is inherent, does not depend on external factors but rather is a fundamental part of the entity itself. For example, creativity can be considered an inherent quality of some individuals, while gravity is an inherent property of matter. Understanding the inherent qualities of a system or entity is important in predicting its behavior and optimizing its performance. Inherent characteristics cannot be easily changed or removed and are often deeply ingrained in the entity's structure.